if you're a small YouTuber, I'm sure that you spend a lot of time watching YouTube videos. Maybe to learn a skill like editing or just to do some research for your channel. But watching YouTube videos can take like a lot of time. Time that you could spend doing something else to grow your channel. And that's why in this video I want to tell you how to get the transcript from any video so you can read it faster, or if you want to just put it in your favorite AI tool to have it summarize it for you. So if you are on your phone or your tablet, you can open your YouTube app, click the video you want the transcript from, click on more, and this will open your description. Then scroll all the way down and there you have it. It shows transcript, right? Click on it and there is a whole transcript. The drawback here is that in mobile or on your tablet, you cannot copy or download this transcript. So what you can do here, let's close this and click on this arrow over here and copy this link. Now you can search in your browser something like duboscribe.ai. Click here and click over here. Paste your link there and you can select through different languages and then just transcribe. Now the reason why I use this app specifically is because it will allow you to do a couple of things. Let's look at it. Now when it's finished, you can actually open your transcript and copy from there, or you can use a feature which is export, which will allow you to do a couple of things. Here you can export in different formats like PDF, docs, but the one that I use the most is actually SDR for subtitles, and I use this one when I'm making short form videos for Instagram or for YouTube Shorts. And here you actually have an extra couple of settings in which you can adjust the number of words or the timing, etc. Now the only drawback with this app is it will only allow you to have 3 transcripts per day if you are on a free plan. But if you actually need more than that, you can check websites like youtubetranscript.com. It is free and it serves the same purpose without limitation. I just prefer to use Subscribe because there's a subtitle feature. Now, if you are on desktop, it's even simpler. Just go to the video you want the transcript from, click on more, scroll all the way down, it will show you transcript, and there you have it on the side. And from there, you can just copy and paste it in your favorite AI tool for whatever you need to do with it. Let me know in the comments if you need more tutorials like this. And if you're looking for gear, check what I use in the link below. But in the meantime, you can watch the next video over here. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.